Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving email notification from Instagram. So let's get started. Here I have my Instagram opened, and then the first thing we can do is click on the profile button right here. And then just click on this button on the top right corner of your screen. Then after that, you can click on settings and privacy right here. And then on the settings and privacy, you can select a notification. Click on notification setting, then you're going to scroll down until you find email notification. It's right here, so just click on it, and then you can select the type of the email that you want to turn off the notification, and just click on this toggle button if you want to turn it off like this. You can select all of them. You can select one by one like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can stop receiving email notification from Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.